This strategy made me over 6 figures in trading. Buckle up, because I'm gonna reveal the exact strategy right now and completely for free. I know most of those gurus will hate me for this, but I don't care. Let's get into the charts. As you guys know, I mainly trade gold. So on that day, gold was trending to the upside. And I was actually waiting for some shorts from this supply in here. And as you guys know, I mainly trade the NY session. We tapped that supply during the NY session, but with an extremely bullish momentum. And as you can see, we engulfed this supply, and that's when I switched my bias from shorts into longs. And I was only looking for opportunities to be in this move to the upside, because we had still on the daily time frame a lot of potential highs to target, and obviously also the all-time high. So it was a potential all-time move cooking up during the NY session. And since it was also a Friday, Fridays are open for extreme movement, so that's why I try to prepare for that. And now getting into this, this is the new 4-hour candle. So the previous 4-hour closed extremely strong. And as soon as we closed above this supply area on the 30-minute, I switched the bias to bullish. So dropping down to the 5-minute time frame, what I want to see is what NYSE is going to do. And NYSE pretty much just went up a little bit, close as a doji. The next one dropped again, but we are still respecting this 5-minute imbalance in here. We were still respecting that imbalance. And now we tapped into these structural points in here, and slightly close above, slightly close below the imbalance. And now it's official, we close below the imbalance. So I was just waiting for price to confirm me that this move will be a potential retracement for further upside movement. So that's what my bias was. I'm only interested in the bias. So, and also if you mark up this high in here, we're clearly seeing that we are respecting that high, and it's kind of break and retest. And we also have this 15-minute imbalance getting respected. And as you can see, this is the last 15-minute of the 1-hour candle. So the 1-hour closed extremely strong with no bottom wick, showing us some bullish momentum in the markets. And now dropping down to the 5 minutes. So I now have the 4-hour in my favor. I have the 1-hour in my favor, and also the previous 15-minute candle. Now I'm just waiting for an opportunity to get into the market. And as you can see, we are still respecting this bearish 5-minute imbalance that we have in here. So that is also key. So now we are still within that imbalance, and now we officially close this bearish 5-minute imbalance. And now that's, if you look at it like this, this is now new 1-hour. This is a new hourly candle. And as you guys know, this is the London close. So London close can give you a lot of volume to go in one direction most of the time for the rest of the day. So that's what I know with experience in the markets, and especially with trading gold for the past 4 years. I know that this move can probably result in an all-time high, or maybe not just a momentum driven move to target all these highs that we had in here. So now I know I'm in the London close session, so I'm just waiting for potential confirmations in here. So now, as you can see, we tapped into this 5-minute imbalance in here and rejected that, and this is a second 5-minute candle. And as soon as I saw this doji, I knew, okay, now the bulls are about to step in. And as soon as that candle broke the high, I entered into the buys with the stop below the current 1 hour's low. So at this point, I am already in that position. Dropping down to the 1 minutes now, as you can see, we also had some really nice pushes on the 1 minutes, and this is the entry just at the high in here with that candle. And also looking here in the on the 1 minutes, respecting this imbalance, also really great, because these 1 minute imbalances will now lead to very nice movements. Just gonna delete now this one and play it out for you on the 1 minutes. So as you can see, we had a little bit of a consolidation in here, and with this 1 minute candle, the bullish up move just continued higher and higher and higher. What I have done is pretty much, normally, as most of our community members know, I target at least a 1 to 2. So, but I know this trade has more potential because the first real target on the daily time frame is this high in here, and that high is from my entry 150 pips away. So that's why I know, okay, this trade has a potential of at least a 4R, at least a 4R. So that's what I'm aiming for eventually. But as you guys know, I am a day trader. I'm not gonna hold positions like over the weekends and stuff like this. So I'm gonna close the trade before the market closes on that specific day. So now looking at these 1 minute imbalances, I just want to see market respecting or disrespecting so I can adjust my stop loss. So now this is a perfect example, because this as soon as that 1 minute candle it got disrespected on the 1 minutes, I trailed my stop loss. So now I was not risking anymore like 1%, I was risking maybe 0.6% of my account, because the initial stop loss was 37 pips, as you can see here. And now, yeah, 37, 35 pips. And now it's 22, 23 pips. Okay. So trade my stop. And now I'm just watching. I'm just watching price, not doing anything. I want to see this high getting taken out. So as soon as this high gets taken out, I know that this low is now a really strong low that should not break. And as soon as I see this, I go to break even. I go to break even and trade my stop loss once again. And now what I want to see is all these 1 minute candles that are in here always getting respected. So let's play price again. Yeah. As you can see, the first target hit, and we did not close any 1 minute imbalances with this up move in here. Like a really solid move from the entry point to the target was like a 40-minute trade, and that's, I guess, a really good hourly wage, I guess, because this trade alone made me more than $10,000. And that was the point where I secured most of my positions. But as you guys know, I always leave runners, and I closed 90% of my position in here, 90% off. So if you take it from the initial stop loss, that was a 4.5 hour trade, and securing 90%, that's a 4-hour trade for you. So, and then what I did is I just left the runner do its thing and wanted to see what price is going to do, trailed the stop loss, and as you can see, the stop loss did not hit, and price came in after a small retracement and before market close, again another up move. And as I saw this, I just secured the runner because I didn't want to leave any positions open during like over the weekend, you know, because I'm just not a swing trader, so I'm only focusing on day trades. So that's why I was just secured that one. But on the next day, we saw that during Asia, we made that new all-time high, and price eventually kept on pushing up, and pretty much that was like the best possible position to catch that new all-time high and the current all-time high on gold. So this is the strategy how I made over 6 figures with trading. And if you need some guidance with your trading, make sure you join the free Funded Brothers Discord community.